He slowly folds his boom back in. What's this one? And then this one. And then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight, sleeping, snoring. Shh. Good night. Cement mixer whirs all day at his churning, spinning play. Don't. And then, but all the fun that's. Good job, Sebastian. Yeah, that's fine. It's the star. The star. Can you push the star? But all the fun that's kept him busy has made him tired and so dizzy. He cuts his engine, slows his drum. Good job. That's right. That's exactly right. And dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Nice.